looking for peace and tranquility? Do you want a desert oasis in your backyard, a place where you can take in beautiful mountain and sunset views? If so, then I have the perfect home for you in Scottsdale's premier guard-gated community. Hi, I'm Dana Bloom, and I'm excited to share with you my newest listing, Desert Highlands, Lot 385. Situated on over an acre, this private desert retreat is a rare single-story home with no steps anywhere. From the moment you enter the private courtyard with mountain views and a tranquil water feature, you will feel how special this home is. This continues as you're greeted by the open, light and bright living room, perfect for formal entertaining. But wait, it also doubles as a casual theater room with hidden retractable movie screen to enjoy sports with friends or casual movie nights in. The open and versatile floor plan continues to the gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an expansive island, and spacious walk-in pantry, all open to the breakfast room and family room, complete with a stone fireplace, entertainment wall, wraparound wet bar, and a wine room that holds over 400 bottles. As if all this wasn't enough, the palatial owner suite features soaring ceilings, a fireplace, and a spa-like bathroom with a coffee wet bar and refrigerator, a double-entry shower with multiple shower heads, large jetted tub, separate his and hers vanities, as well as a dressing vanity, and don't forget about the more than oversized walk-in closet. Privacy has once again been taken into account with the 2 separate guest wings, so even your guests can enjoy the ultimate privacy with their own dedicated bathrooms, walk-in closets, and patios. The 5th bedroom suite also easily doubles as an office with beautiful French doors opening up to the courtyard. As thoughtfully designed as the interiors of this fabulous home are, so too are the phenomenal outdoor living spaces that take in the very best of outdoor living with the large covered patios, a negative edge pool with a waterfall and spa, outdoor kitchen with barbecue, cooktop, and an entertainment counter, and a separate grassy area all surrounded by lush desert landscaping, tranquil mountain and sunset views. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. For your own private showing or for any questions on this property or any other in the Scottsdale area, call me, Dana Bloom, at 480-600-6606.